Now read the question, sir. Read the question first. First we will read the question. This is an original question taken from CHSL 2018. A certain sum amounts to, the amount is given, amounts to 29,282. Amount is given as 29,282. How many years it is given? 4 years. Okay. 10% per annum. Rate of interest is 10% for 4 years. Wherever rate is 10%, you can use Pascal's triangle. What is Pascal's triangle? If the principal is 100, R is 10%, R is 10%, amount after 4 years will become 146.41. 146.41. 146.41. Now what is he asking? He is asking a certain sum amounts to. So if it is 100, amount after 4 years will be 146.41. 146.41. This is given as 292.82. 292.82. If the principal is 100, R is 10%, amount after 4 years will be 146.41. Amount after 4 years is 146.41 when the principal is 100. Okay, first step I understood it. First thing immediately it is 1 is becoming 2. So the rightmost non-zero digit multiplication factor, it should be 2. It should be 2. Rightmost non-zero digit multiplication factor, it is 2. What is the simple interest on the same sum? Same sum means here I took the 100. Now also in simple interest I need to take the same sum for the same time period. Initially I took it for 4 years. Now also I should take 4 years. At the same rate, I should take the same principal, same rate, same time period. So what will be simple interest? For 4 years, in case of simple interest, rate of interest is same every year. First year 10, second year 10, third year 10, fourth year 10. So this will be 40. 40 means, what is the 40? So 40 will be how much? Because he is asking the question, what is the simple interest? 146.41. It is corresponding to 29,282. 40 will correspond to how much? 1 2s are 2. So 4 should be multiplied by 2. Rightmost non-zero digit, answer should be 8. Rightmost non-zero digit, it is 5. Rightmost non-zero digit, it is 6. Rightmost non-zero digit, it is 4. Answer is 8. Very, very easy question. Please do not waste your time in doing the multiplication. Rightmost non-zero digit is an extremely important logic which will help you to save a lot of time. Again I am repeating, principal is 100, rate is 10%. Because the rate is 10%, amount after 4 years will be 146.41. 146.41, he gave it as 29,282. 29,282. 1 is becoming a 2 into 2. The same principal, the same rate of interest for 4 years. First year 10, second year 10, third year 10, fourth year 10. It is 40. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. Rightmost non-zero digit should be 8. Only one option it is present. Only one option it is present. I hope it is clear. This is nothing but 200 into 200, which is 8,000. I don't want to do all this. 40 first. I hope the idea it is clear. 42nd, listen carefully to this question. 42nd. First read the question, sir. A sum invested at 8% per annum, okay, amounts to 20,280 at the end of 1 year when the interest is compounded half yearly. Interest is compounded half yearly. Step number 1. It is mentioned that 8% is per annum. Annum it is 12 months. 12 months rate of interest is 8%. Interest is compounded half yearly. Half yearly it is 6 months. 6 months. So the effective rate of interest becomes 4%. Half yearly. In a year, 2 times I am going to meet. So I am going to meet 2 times. What will be the effective rate of interest? 4 plus 4 plus 4 into 4 by 100. This is 8.16%. 16%. 8.16%, which is 8.16 by 100. That means if the principal is 100, interest will be 8.16. Final amount will be 100 plus 8.16. 108.16. This is becoming, according to the question, 20280. 20280. Read the question, you will get the ideas, sir. They are all very, very easy questions. If your fundamentals are very good and you know how to solve it sequentially. It is amounting to, I want amount. I want 8.16 by 100. On 100, 8.16 increase. 108.16. First observation, 6 is becoming 8. 6 is becoming 8. What is the multiplication factor? 6 8s are 8 or 6 3s are 8. So answer, whatever we get unit digit, that should be multiplied by 3 or 8. 6 3s are 8 or 6 8s are 48. Let me complete the question. What will be the simple interest on the same sum for 4 3 by 5 years? At double the earlier rate of interest. Rate of interest is doubled. Rate of interest, it is doubled. 8% doubled. It is 16. First year 16. Second year 16. Third year 16. Fourth year 16. What is the question he is asking? 4 3 by 5 years. That means in the 5th year, I want rate of interest which is 3/5. 5 3.20, which is 9.6%. 9.6%. I hope it is clear. I want the simple interest. Rate of interest is double. 8 double is 16. First year 16, second year 16, third year 16 and fourth year 16. And next I require 3 by 5 of 16. 9.16. 16 4s are 64. 64 plus 9.6. I want for 73.6. 73.6. So these multiplied by 3 are 8. 6 8s are 48. 6 3s are 18. Rightmost non-zero digit, I should get 8. 14,200, incorrect. 14,500, incorrect. 13,500, incorrect. Are you all with me? Very, very easy question. What I did in this question is just read the question step by step and converted into a mathematical expression. Don't show your mathematics by multiplying this value. Just play with the rightmost non-zero digit. 6 is becoming 8. 6 3s are 18. 6 8s are 48. 3 and 8. So rightmost non-zero digit, it should be 3 or 8. It should be 3 or 8. In case if there is more than one answer option, which is 8, then you can use the divisibility rule or you can use the digital sum concept. 42nd, I hope it is crystal clear to you. 43rd, right? SI, sub-inspector, police examination. Now see here, read the question. First step, read the question very slowly. If an amount is 80,000, amount is 80,000, was kept in a bank for a compound interest at the rate of 10% per year. Rate is 10% per year. Rate is 10% per year. To get the interest will be 16,800. Interest will be 16,800. Then amount was in the bank for a period of. Now see here. Amount I got it as 16,800, 16,800. Amount is 80,000. You can solve this problem in multiple ways. Now, the first thing is, suppose if I keep it in, amount rate is given as 10 percentage. Rate is given as 10 percentage. Now, if you see here, 10 percentage, what is the option? First option 1.5, second option 2 years. Let me take an integer value 2 years. So 10 percentage 2 years. It will become 10 plus 10 plus 10 into 10 divided by 100, which is 21 percentage. Rightmost non-zero 1, rightmost non-zero 8. 1 8s are 8. It is matching. It is matching. Are you all with me? This is matching. So the answer for this question is 2 years. Answer for this question is 2 years. Answer for this question is 2 years. Is the idea clear? Right? Sir, what if I take 1.5 years? 1.5 years. See, you just see like this, sir. Forget about all this. Interest is the extra money. What is the person? Take it as 16,000. These 80,000. What is the increase? Approximately 16 on 80, which is 20 percentage. Answer, effective rate of interest should be 20 percentage. 10 percentage, how many times I will get? 20 percentage, 2 years. Simple. Just by looking at the question, you will get the answer as 2 years. Or you can play with the unit digit. Next one. See here, sir. We will understand and solve this question. In how many years will rupees 25,000, I kept it in a bank, 25,000, it will yield. That means it will give you extra. It will give you extra, which is 8,275. R percentage is 10 percentage. R percentage is 10 percentage. Don't do any mathematics. Take it as 8,000. Approximately, if I take 8,000 divided by 25,000 into 100, which is around 32 percentage. Around 32 percentage. 10 percentage, how many times I will get? Around 32 percentage. 2 times I will get 21 percentage. 3 times I will get 10 percentage, 10 percentage, 10 percentage. SI itself is 30 percentage. CI will be just greater than 30. So this will be 21 and this will be 33.1, which is closer. Answer will be 3. Answer will be 3. I hope the idea it is clear. So 25,000, CI is 8275. Little longer method also you can use a digital sum. Final amount will become 33,275. Amount is principal plus interest. This is 25,000 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100. You can also cross check by using digital sum whether you are getting the answer. 7 plus 2 9, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 it is 2, 2 plus 5 it is 7, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. What is 5 plus 6? 11, 1 plus 1 2. You can also use digital sum, but in this context, digital sum will take a little more time than these approximation. These around 8,000, around extra 8,000 on 25,000. I kept in bank 25,000. I got more 8,000. So approximately overall successive change is 32 percentage. 10 percentage, if I take SI, it is 20 percentage. CI will be just greater than SI. Out 3. 10 percentage, 3 times is 30 percentage. I want just greater than 30, which is possible with 3 years. I hope it is clear. This is amount and this is P. These are 1 percentage increase, or 2 percentage increase, or 2 or 3 percentage increase. Don't go by this, it's a calculation. These are all the questions which you can solve it in seconds. Now see here. In how many months will rupees 8,000, principal it is 8,000, will yield is interest, compound interest is 2648, 2648. At 20 percentage per annum, 20 percentage per annum, it is 12 months. But I want it in semi-annually. Semi-annually is 6 months, which is 10 percentage. Let us go approximately 2648. Let me take 2500 by 8000 into 100. 3 zeros cancel. So these around 30 percentage. These around 30 percentage. 18 months is 1.5 year. 24 months it is 2 years. 12 years it is 1 year. 30 months it is 2.5 years. It is 2.5 years. It is 2.5 years. How much I want? 30 percentage I want. I want 30 percentage. It is done for 6 months. For every 6 months I am meeting my friend. So it is 18 months. First 6 months it is 10. Second 6 months it is 10. Third 6 months it is 10. So it is around 33.1 percentage, which is closer to this value. So answer is 18 months. Simple question. Within 5 to 10 seconds you can take the answer if your logics are good. Please do not take the exact value. See here, the months are very, very far to each other. It is one is 1.5, another is 1 year, another is 2 years, another is 2.5 years. The gap is very high. So I can approximate is the gap is close to about 6 months. 2500 by 8000, answer should be closer to 30 percentage. 20 percentage it is for 12 months. 6 months it is 10 percentage. 10 percentage 3 times, which I am doing by taking first one as the answer. Answer is 33.1 percentage, which is close. Idea clear? Every question I will try to teach you in the best possible way, because when you learn that kind of shortcuts with me, traditional methods is something which I will do it at the beginning to explain a concept. But whenever answer options are there, we will use a smarter way of solving. Find the time in which the 8,000 will amount to 8,000 principal. Principal it is 8,000. It will amount to 9261 when annual compound interest is 5 percentage. That means 8,000 becomes 9261. Approximately it is 1200 increase on 8,000 into 100 percentage. So 3 zeros cancel. 12 by 8. 12 by 8 is 4 3s are 4 2s are. So these 15 percentage. 15 percentage. Where I will get 15? 5 percentage. For 5 years only I will get 1200 by 80. 12 by 80. 4 3s are 4 20s are 15 percentage. 5 percentage. 5 years. SI only it will be 25. I want 15. 5 3 years. Answer is this one. I hope you are understanding the logic. I hope the idea it is clear. 46th. Next one. The time for rupees 1000. Principal it is 1000. Amounts to 1331. Amounts to 1331. These are percentages. 20 percentage. It is for 12 months. It is for 12 months. Compounded half yearly. Half yearly is 6 months. 10 percentage. 10 percentage. How many times I will get? 1331. These. What is the increase? 300 close to on 1000. Answer should be close to 30 percentage. 30 percentage. 1.5 year. First 6 months 10 percentage. Next 6 months 10 percentage. Next 6 months 10%. Answer is 1.5 year. I hope you are all understanding how you can lift the answer very, very fast. Please don't do the exact 1331. Extra is 300 on 1000. 3 by 10 is 30%. 10% after 6 months, 10%. Again 6 months, 10% in the beginning of the first year. 10, 10, 10. So it is close to 30%. See here, sir. See here. Listen carefully, sir. Let us solve the question. SSC CGL pre-question. At what time will rupees 64,000? Principal is 64,000 will amount to 68,921. 68,921. Close to about 5,000 difference. On 65,000 if I take, answer will be close to 7%. Approximate value I am taking 7%. 5% per annum. 5% is given for annum. Annum it is 12 months. Interest is compounded half yearly. Half yearly it is 6 months. So this will be 2.5%. 2.5%, 2.5% and 2.5%. If I take 2 years, I will get close to 5%. If 2 years is not giving you answer, these 3 years. So 2.5, 2.5. Interest is compounded half yearly. Half yearly means these first 6 months and next it is 6 months and next it will be 6 months. Next it will be 6 months. 2.5, 2.5 and 2.5. Now where we are, okay, these for 1.5 year let us take. 1.5 year. Compounded half yearly, right? So this will be 2.55, it will be around 7. Around 7. If I take 3 years, every 6 months I am paying 2.5. That means yearly I will pay 5. 3 years it will be 15. So this will be eliminated. Not this one, sir. 3 years will be eliminated. 2.5 years will be. 2.5 years, just think logically. 2.5 years means 6 months 2.5. 12 months it is 5. So 12 months 5. 2 years means it will become 5, 5, 5, 5. The value will be, if 2 years is eliminated, why am I doing for 2.5? Anything about 2, automatically it will get cancelled. So answer is 1.5 years. Answer is 1.5 years. Next one. See here, sir. Next question. All are of the same concept, sir. A sum of rupees 3,200. A sum of rupees 3,200. R is 10%. Amount is 3362. Any compounded half yearly, quarterly? Let us read the question. Compounded quarterly. Compounded quarterly. 10%. It is for 12 months. 10%. It is for 12 months. Quarter. It is 1 part out of 4 parts. Into 12, which is 3 months. Which is 3 months. So it is 1 by 4. 10 divided by 4, which is 2.5%. 2.5%. 2.5%. What is the increase? 3,200 became 3,362. That means there is an increase of 162 on 3,200. There is an increase of 162. 162 into 3,200. 32 5s are 60. 32 5s are 60. 32 5s are 60. For 12 months it is 10%. For 3 months it is 2.5%. First 3 months 2.5. Next 3 months 2.5. Answer is coming to close to 5%. Answer is coming to close to 5%. Just an approximation of final minus initial. Play around with the answer option. Play around. 3,200, 3,362. Difference is 162 on 3,200. 32 5s are 160. Answer is around 5%. First 3 months 2.5. Next 3 months 2.5. Answer is around 5%. Very, very easy question. Next one. What is the least number of complete years? CDS 2019 question. What is the least number of complete years in which a sum of money put at 40%, rate of interest is 40%, and the question is based on compound interest? Will it be more than triple? More than triple. So answer final value is more than 3 times. Final value is more than 3 times. See here. 40%. 40% is 2 by 5. 40% is 2 by 5. If the principal, if it is 5, amount will be 2 more than 5. It will be 7. Is 7 more than 3 times 5? No. First year over. Second year, if the principal is 5, it is 2 more than 5. So after 2 years, 25 became 49. Is 49 more than 3 times 25? No. Third year, 5 and 7, 125. 125 is becoming 343. 125 is becoming 343. It is, if it is, what is the concept we discussed? Final value is it will be more than triple. Is the 343 more than 3 times 125? No. So 3 years are over. If I take 4th year, this will be 625 and this will be 7 power 4 is 49 square, which is 2401. 2401 is more than 3 times 625. So 2401 is greater than 1875. So what is the least number of years that I need to complete? No formula, nothing is required. Just read the question and convert it into a mathematical expression. 40% is 2 by 5. Rate of interest is a percentage increase. Denominator is always the initial value. 5 became to increase 7. 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 625 became 2401. 2401. It is greater than, it is more than triple. 3 into 625 is 1875. 2401 is greater than 1875. That means in the 4th year, the final value is becoming more than triple. I don't want to use any formulas.